Hello everyone and welcome to the piano accompaniment tutorial for Alicia Keys' If I Ain't Got You, a song she almost gave away to Christina Aguilera. For reference, here's middle C. The song will be played in the key of G major with one sharp, F sharp, but as we'll go over, there will be other sharps used. We'll start with this highly recognized intro. The first chord is going to be C major 7. On the left hand, we'll play our C or C octaves, and we'll play E, B, and G on our right. We'll play this 6 times while playing our C octaves on our left. For B minor 7, we have B octaves on our left, and we have D, A, and F sharp on our right. We'll play this 6 times as well. Next we have A minor 7, A octaves on the left, and C, G, and E on the right. We'll play this 6 times. Next is G major 7 with G octaves on the left, and B, F sharp, and D on the right. This time we'll play this 3 times. Then we play G major 7, A minor 7, and B minor 7 once. Let's repeat that again. C major 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7, and walk back up. Next, we'll play C major 7 like before. Then we'll play B minor 7 5 times. For A sharp minor 7, we got A sharp on the left, C sharp, G sharp, and F on the right. Then we'll play our A minor 7 chord 6 times. Then we end with a solid G major 7 chord using the same keys. Let's play this entire intro again. We have C major 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7, and walk back up. C major 7, B minor 7, A sharp minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7. We'll call this pattern P1, and it is played in the intro and the outro. For our first verse, we'll start with these 2 chords, A minor 7 and G major 7. We've learned this chord except we'll be playing 1 octave lower and we'll be playing solid chords. Next we have E minor 7, E on the left, D, G, and B on the right. Next is A minor 7, A on the left, E, G, and C on the right. Then we have D7, D on the left, F sharp, A, and C on the right. Let's try that again. A minor 7, G major 7, E minor 7, A minor 7, D7. Next, we'll have A minor 7 and G major 7 played one after the other again. Next is G sharp diminished 7, G sharp on the left, and F, G sharp, B, and D on the right. Then we have A minor 7 as before, and D7. Let's try the whole entire verse. A minor 7, G major 7, E minor 7, A minor 7, D7, A minor 7, G major 7, G sharp diminished 7, 7, and D7. We'll call this pattern P2, and it is played for the first and second verse. This brings us to our pre-chorus. We've already learned all these chords. Our first chord is G major 7, A minor 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7, A minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7, A minor 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7, A minor 7, B minor 7. Let's try to play that again. On the right hand, we have G, B, and C, and into our chorus. We'll call this pattern P3, and is played for the pre-chorus sections. This brings us to our chorus section. We have C major 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7, and we'll walk back up, C major 7, B minor 7, A sharp minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7. At the end of the chorus, we'll play G major 7 4 times. We'll call this pattern P4, and it's played for the chorus sections. Now for the outro, same like the intro. We're going to end with a chromatic scale starting from B. Our finger positions are 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and 1.